Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. It is probably also the most known. Thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now another code, which is *#225#**. And here, thanks to this code, we can open the calendar info, so we can check the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. However, you cannot really enter specific categories. So all you can do here is to check the number of events which are assigned into different categories. So I'm not really sure whether it is that helpful. Another code which I can show you is more technical. It is *##4636##, and here we are in the testing mode, so we can check some kind of information about your tablet, about usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So for example, in Wi-Fi info we can open the status, we can refresh the stats, and here we've got the information such as network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. We can go back, usage statistics. So basically here we've got the list of all apps which are installed on this device, and they can be sorted by usage time or last time used or app name. So you can check that kind of information, and tablet info. So basically the IMEI number again, phone number, current network, data service, voice service, etc. Of course, you will be able to check that kind of information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why it is blank. Here we can run ping test also. Here we've got more information. So for example, we can update and refresh SMSC. And after tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, we can also view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Let me go back, and the last code for today's video is *##426###, and this code is even more technical, because here you can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. You can also tap on events, and here you've got further details. After tapping on the three dots icon here, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here you've got more information, like for example fallback mode, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.